Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials. I want to bring you another original design, another wreath knot coming your way. This is the Indestructible Wreath. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. The big end is at the belt line. We're going to have our skinny end over here. We're just going to put in I'm going to put in a mocha pinch for this one, or a form of a mocha pinch. This tie is kind of thin. So we're going to come over to the top, bring it around here like this. And then what I'm going to do is, you see it, this is going up like this. How this is kind of slanted up, this material, I'm going to take this skinny end and I'm going to kind of go opposite this way and then come back around and then go straight up this way and then down. So we kind of have this opening right here. Kind of want to leave that opening right there, because what we're going to do is we're then going to do a wreath and we're going to put it back through here. So I'm just going to kind of push it through there. So there we have a wreath right here. So then what we're going to do is we're going to do another wreath. And then we're going to come down like so. Like here. There's a wreath there. So then what we're going to have here is we're going to have a wreath here. And it's going to come across. And we're going to bring it underneath here like this. We're just going to fold it through, push it through like that. And then we're going to do another wreath, just twist it, braid it. And now we're going to come back over this way. Bring it back up through. Oh, my tie's kind of coming undone there. It's an old tie. Now we're going to come back and we're going to do another wreath braid. And I'm going to put it through this top loop right here and push it through again through here like that. And then we're going to tuck this under here. So the point of this knot is, this wreath is, it's indestructible. Nothing will make it come undone. And that's a pretty good, that's pretty indestructible right there. So again, follow me on Instagram at Simmonsessentials. You'll see the picture of this knot. Oh, no, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.